Okay, we're going to do another question on circles. Find the center and radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals 0. Okay, let's lump the similar terms together. Alright, x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. So first I lump the x terms together. Next I lump the y terms together. Alright, so let's perform completing the square. Okay, for these two sets of terms separately. X minus 2 squared minus 4 plus y plus 3 squared minus 9 minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, and then from here x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared minus 4 minus 9 minus 12. Minus 4 minus 9 minus 12 will give me minus 25. Goes to 0. And then I get x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals to 25. Then I get x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals to 5 squared. Therefore, the center of the circle, okay, is 2 minus 3, and radius is equals to 5.